Hello good people. Welcome to my channel Desi Canadian Guy. Guys, today I will be talking about Canada PR process step by step. Canada Immigration Express Entry. Immigration to Canada is widely viewed one of the best options in the world for people looking for a better quality of life. It has many opportunities for career development as well as personal enhancement. It is the best place to settle in for those who are looking for a better quality of life for themselves and their families. Moreover, the Canada immigration process is more open, flexible and user-friendly when compared to the immigration process of other developed countries such as USA and UK. Therefore, it's easier to qualify. Canada also provides a robust healthcare, public education and social welfare system which is one of the best in the world and at a very low cost. One of the most popular and often used pathways for immigration to Canada is the Canada Express Entry program. Below are outlined 9 easy steps in which you can successfully apply for a Canada PR visa through Express Entry. Steps for applying for Canada PR through Express Entry. Step 1. Complete your language ability tests. One of the primary requirements for Express Entry is proof of language ability. You will need to take the IELTS for proving your ability to communicate effectively in the English language. You can also give a relevant French language test such as Test d'Evaluation de Français to further improve your ranking. Candidates are awarded CRS points based on their English and French language ability, but you will have to take ERC-approved tests to earn those points. Language tests are one of the eligibility requirements for all 3 programs under Express Entry: Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program, and Canadian Experience Class. The minimum requirements for a language are different for the 3 programs. Your test results must be less than 2 years old when you complete your Express Entry profile and apply for permanent residence. Step 2. Create a profile for Express Entry. You will need to create an Express Entry profile for yourself online on the ERC website in order to initiate the process for your Express Entry. Under Express Entry, there are eligibility requirements for each of the 3 economic immigration programs. You need to make sure you are eligible to at least one of the 3 programs. Find out what are the eligibility requirements are for each program, and also details of other requirements such as proof of funds. This step is crucial as you will not be able to get in the pool of candidates if not eligible. Step 3. Complete your ECA. If your education was completed outside of Canada, then it is advisable to complete an Education Credentials Assessment. An Educational Credential Assessment is used to check the Canadian equivalency of a foreign degree, diploma or certificate. For example, an ECA will determine if an applicant's foreign master's degree is of the same standard when compared to a Canadian master's degree. If your credential is awarded in Canada by a Canadian educational body, you do need to provide an ECA. Completing an ECA can provide an additional 150 points to your comprehensive ranking score. Step 4. Apply for Provincial Nomination. You can also opt to apply for one of the various provincial nomination programs that are managed by the different provinces within Canada. If successfully selected for a provincial nomination, you can get an additional 600 points on your score. Step 5. Get an invitation to apply. Once your application is approved and scores the threshold CRS score in the Express Entry draw, you will receive an invitation to apply. If your Express Entry profile is active and your CRS score is equal or more than the cutoff score for a particular draw, then you will be issued an IDA for some draws. Not all candidates at the cutoff score received an IDA, only those who have been the longest on the pool with that score receive an IDA, depending on the total number of IDA issued. You will receive a letter through your account. Your IDA will specify the program that you should be submitting your application for. Your CRS score with a breakdown and the date by which you should submit the electronic application for permanent residence. It also provides guidance on the next steps that you can take post receiving the IDA. Once you receive an IDA, you will need to submit a completed application within the next 90 days. Step 6. Complete medical and criminal background checks. You will need to complete a health checkup with a doctor from a qualified panel of doctors approved by Canadian Immigration Authority and submit the same to the ERC. Additionally, you will need to obtain a police clearance certificate from each city you have resided in for more than 6 months on a continuous basis in the past. Step 7. Application is reviewed by Canadian Immigration Officer. During this step, you will not have any active part, but your application will be reviewed by an immigration officer. You should be ready, however, to furnish any additional requirements if requested during this stage. Step 8. You will receive confirmation of PR status. During this step, you will get confirmation of your permanent resident status. You can get your application processed faster under certain categories. For example, if you apply under the Canadian Experience class, your application will be processed as early as 3 to 4 months. You will receive a copper card at this step. Step 9. Apply for your PR card. Congratulations! This is the last step for your Canada immigration process, and you are now qualified to travel to Canada. You will need to apply for your PR card and can use it to travel in and out of Canada as you please. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.